आदाब, वेलकम टू द सिटी ऑफ तहजीब। लखनऊ, मुस्कुराइए, आप लखनऊ में हैं। Good morning, my dear children. Well, today I am going to take you on a virtual tour to the beautiful city of Nawabs and Kebabs, our very own Lucknow. So brace yourselves and get a chance to know Lucknow from a tourist point of view. Lucknow is multicultural and multilingual and better known for its Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb. Lucknow is not only known for its manners and way of life but also for its food and historical places, which makes people not only excited but also happy when they come here. This is Lucknow, and I am going to tell you about the best things you must do in this city. Many years back, Lucknow was ruled by the Mughals, and maybe that's why they have such a strong influence of their culture, be it their Avdi architecture or their food. Lucknow is connected by land as well as air route. One can either take a flight or a train, and even the highways are well connected to major points like Noida, Agra, Kanpur, etc. Now let's get started with this amazing journey. If you are traveling within India by air, domestic flights will land at Terminal 2 of Chaudhry Charan Singh Airport. And if you are taking an international flight, you will land at Terminal 1. Lucknow is a smart city well connected with metro. The airport metro station brings you in no time to the heart of the city, that is Hazratganj. First, let's check into Hotel Clarks, one of the oldest and most popular hotels of the city. Now let's travel to Hazratganj and enjoy. Let us take a look at the famous chart of Royal Cafe. Theirs is a big chain of restaurants in Lucknow. They are famous for their basket chaat. Yummy, yummy. You can enjoy basket chaat here, and when you are in Lucknow, you cannot miss this famous chaat for me. Sharma Ji Ki Chai is also one of the must-do things in Lucknow. So let's go and have Sharma Ji Ki Chai. Now let's have Lucknow's famous Tunde Kebab. No culinary journey in Lucknow is ever complete till you visit the popular Tunde Kebabi. They are so succulent and so delicious. This is 60 feet tall Rumi Gate. This is Old Lucknow. When you see this grand Rumi Gate, you know you have reached Old Lucknow. This Rumi Gate is a work of excellent architecture, built by Nawab Asaf-ud-Daula. This is the Bada Imambara, which houses the famous Bhool Bhulaiya. This is again the most preferred tourist place. One of the famous mosques is Tile Wali Masjid. A new flyover has been designed to see three famous spots of Chowk. You can see Tile Wali Masjid from this spot. You can see Rumi Gate, Ghanta Ghar. Let's take a closer look of Ghanta Ghar. It is located adjacent to the Rumi Darwaza, Bada Imambara and Tile Wali Masjid. Husainabad Clock Tower is tallest among all the clock towers in India. It was built as replica to the Big Ben Clock Tower of London, and in the same vicinity you can see the picture gallery and Chota Imambara. Now let's see Residency. The Residency is located in the heart of the city. British Residency served as the residence for the British Resident General. Lucknow is the capital city of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow, along with Agra and Varanasi, is in the Uttar Pradesh Heritage Arc. It has been listed as the 17th fastest growing city in India and 74th in the world Lucknowi chikankari is a handicraft which is appreciated all around the world. You can't miss shopping of this beautiful embroidery when you visit Lucknow. You can see beautiful chikankari on my suit too. Hope you all enjoyed a closer look of Lucknow. Stay tuned for more on Lucknow in my next video.